Hello and welcome to Step 8. We open our file. In this step we're going to create a callout and we're going to show you how to create different line styles. We switch into level 3. We use the WT shortcut to see both windows. Zoom in here a little bit. Here we are going to show you the difference between detail lines and model lines. First of all, we're going to create a model line. We switch in our home tab, select here model line. Now we draw a line chain. What is really important to know about model lines is that those lines are visible in all views. Now we are going to create a detail line. Select here detail line. Now we draw a line chain here. And you see that line is only visible in that view in which it is created. A very useful tool of Revit 2011 is you can convert different line styles, meaning that if we select the model line, for example, and click here on Convert Lines, the model lines are converted to detail lines. And if we select the detail line and click here Convert Line, it is now visible in our 3D view and is converted to a model line. Now we are ready to create our first callout. We switch into our section 1. Zoom in a little bit. Now we switch in our View tab. Select here callout. Draw one over here. To activate our callout, we double click on that symbol. Before we edit our detail, we're going to change the scale of our detail. Click here 1 to 10. And we change the detail level to 5. Now we want to hide our level line and the A grid. Select both of them. And we use the EH shortcut to hide them. We activate our callout. We click on that break symbol over here to get 2 views of our detail. We adjust our windows. Now we are ready to create a new line style. We switch in our Manage tab. Select here Additional Settings, Line Style. We click here on New. Put in Moisture Barrier. Click OK. We change the line pattern to dashed. And the line weight to 3. We're going to show you in a minute what line weight means. Click here OK. Now we switch on our Manage tab. In Additional Settings, here we select Line Weight. And in this menu you have the possibility to put in the weight of your line for different detail levels. We want to change number 3. Put in here 0.3. Click OK. Now we use the TL shortcut to only view thin lines. We switch on our Annotate tab. Select here Detail Line. And change line type to Moisture Barrier. Zoom in a little bit. And we draw a line at approximately the middle of that layer to the end. We zoom in here. We draw another line over here. That's a really easy way to create different line styles. Now we use the TL shortcut to view our thick lines. So that looks really cool. Now we are going to override our host layers. We use the VV shortcut and we click here, Cut Line Styles. Click on Edit. And we change the thickness here to 1, 1, 1, 1. Click OK. Click OK over here. Alright, now we are at the end of our Step 8 and we'll be back in Step 9.